You know me, I love to snoop inside other small campers. So come on, let's snoop inside this NuCamp TAB 400 together. Oh, look at this fancy dancy door. It's got cubbies on it and a trash can. Oh, that's fun. Wow, this is nice. The first thing I'm noticing is how sleek it looks. Oh, and I like the curved countertop and cabinet. It gives it a European vibe. Let's snoop inside this cabinet. There's more storage space in there than I thought there would be. Oh, it's nice that they have a glass cover over the sink so you can use it as counter space. I wonder if this faucet's gonna hold in place very well. There sure is generous counter space for a small camper. And there's a DINETTE 2-burner stove in here as well. I don't know if you can see the quality of this camper through my camera, but I can feel it. It's definitely a quality built teardrop camper. I like the push-in knobs. This should help the cabinets from flinging open when you're traveling down the road. I own a little Guy Max camper, which is similar to the TAB 400 in many ways, and my camper has these blackout shades and the screens as well. They're really nice. Oh, this is a nice deep drawer underneath the refrigerator. I like the size of this refrigerator. It's not too big and it's not too small, meaning that there's enough space to hold what you need for a long weekend, even for maybe a week of camping. Oh, I like the rounded curved shaped table too. It goes with the round cabinet. Yeah, this is a nice size front window. And if you watch some of my other videos, you've probably heard me say, the more windows, the better, especially in small campers. Look, they've even got round windows. They kind of remind me of windows that I remember seeing on a cruise ship. What do you think? The covered wall is a nice decorative touch. Cubbies, cubbies, cubbies. You can never have too many cubbies. I'm just saying. Let's go check out the bed area. Who doesn't love stargazing windows? What's your favorite small camper fun feature? Woohoo! They've got the Froley sleep system underneath this mattress. Kudos to you, NuCamp. And if you've been watching my channel for any time at all, you know that the Froley sleep system is my #1 RV upgrade. It was so easy to install, and if you want to learn how, I'll leave a link to my installation video in the description below this video. I've heard wonderful things about this bathroom, so I have high expectations. Oh, I love the cubbies, but the bathroom feature I hear most people talk about is the foldable sink. I'd never seen a foldable sink before. At first, I was thinking this is a really clever idea, but then I put the sink back down, and there just wasn't much room for me to stand in front of the sink. It was really cramped, especially with the door closed. I think I'd prefer to use the kitchen sink before standing here to try to brush my teeth. I'm sure you've heard of the little Guy Max, right? It looks a lot like this TAB 400. In fact, people sometimes get them mixed up. But there are big differences, and differences that at first glance you may not have even noticed. So in the video right up here, I expose these differences. And I think you're gonna find them pretty interesting. So click on this video now to see what I mean. And if you don't see the video up here, I'll also leave a link to it in the video description below. I can't wait to see you over in that video next.